What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another 2026 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we're going to take a look at the rescue set. And here's the thing, I think there are 3 rescue sets for this year for some reason. And I honestly have to say I hesitated to buy this one because I think these are not the most attractive castings, but you know, this was only €5, so that's a fair deal, and I decided to get it. So let's take a quick look at the packaging. As you see here on the base, we get 4 cars or 4 driving vehicles with wheels and 1 boat. And a little spoiler, this is a carry forward 5-pack. That means all of these models are re-releases, and we've seen these decos before. So let's take a quick look what is inside this pack. We have the Pierce Aero XT fire engine, the Ford F550 Super Duty, then 2 generic Matchbox models, the Bay Brigade and the Trail Tracker, and the 2009 Ford E350 ambulance. So let's slide our models out and let's get started with the first one, which is this guy here, the Pierce Aero XT fire engine. This is a very old casting from 2008, it says on the base. And the thing is, it was renamed, I don't know, not too long ago, but I think it was the Pierce Dash fire engine or something like that. So, I mean, it's a complete re-release deco-wise, but on the base, it's the first time it's saying Pierce Aero XT fire engine. Before it was the Pierce Dash something. So, I have only 2 other versions of this casting, which is this guy here and this guy here. And here's the thing. These 2 models appeared after the renaming. So, yeah, Aero XT and yeah, just renamed. So let's put our fire engine into the parking lot and let's take a quick look at the next one, which is the Ford F550 Super Duty. This one, yeah, also re-release. And we said this one is from 2008 and this one is from 2010. So very, very old castings, and we've seen many versions, but I only do have 1 other version in a deco that I do really like, ink. So this one's pretty cool. And yeah, that's basically all there is to say as we put our Ford into the parking lot. And let's take a quick look at our boat. So this is called the Bay Brigade. Casting is from 2015, also really old. And we've seen the deco before. I only have 1 other version from the Harbor Police. Yeah, that's also all there is to say. There we go. Then we have this guy here, the Trail Tracker, kind of an off-road vehicle with 3 axles and some stuff there in the back, a toolkit or something. I think this is also pretty old, from 2013. And I think this is what you see here is the first deco this model was released in. So this is, yeah, kind of interesting. More than 12 or 13 years old. You know, unfortunately, Matchbox isn't doing the base codes anymore. But yeah, it is how it is. So that was the Trail Tracker, and our last model is the 2009 Ford E350 ambulance. I mean, these ambulance models is something I really like. I don't have any other versions from this guy here. Unfortunately, as you can see, The body is plastic, and the base is metal, and this one is from 2009, so also really old, saying Matchbox Tri-County Department. Yeah. That's all there is to say for this set. As always, I'm picking a favorite, and with this set, it's not that easy. Not a huge fan of these castings. You know, I mean, there are a lot of people out there that are, I don't know, collecting fire engines or ambulances. I think the best one is still this thing here, the Pierce Arrow XT fire engine, or the Dash fire engine as it was before. Doesn't look too bad. And yeah, that's all there is for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.